I'm launching a new digital marketing masterclass and I want to promote this offer to all my existing students whose data I already have in this Google Sheet. So now here, in order to send the WhatsApp messages to these bulk contacts, I'm going to use a WhatsApp broadcast solution which is going to help me send the bulk WhatsApp messages in just one click without any manual effort. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to set up this broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here, to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. And here I can assure you that you're going to get maximum discount using my coupon code irrespective of any other coupon code available. So go and make your purchase now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. So here, as you know, that we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow. So we're going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is broadcast. But before moving towards that section, let me show you the template that I've already created using which I'm going to send this bulk WhatsApp message. Here you can create your own template, but if you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. So you can see this is the template that I've created. Here you can see this is the message that I've drafted, and here my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this template process in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Now, once you have a template, let's move towards the broadcast section. And in a broadcast, you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on this Add Broadcast button, select the type as Broadcast Campaign. For the name, I'm going to give the name as New Course Launch. Moving forward, then comes the audience section. If you have an existing contact list, select the same from the drop down, or else if you want to create new contacts to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message, then you can upload a CSV file data for the same. Like, as you know that I have data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here and you are all set. For now, I'm going to use an existing contact list. Here you can select multiple lists as well. Then comes the refine audience. Using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. You can exclude the entire contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts and also the contacts with whom you're having an active 24-hour conversation window. For now, I've not selected any. Then comes the message type. Here you can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. If you want to send a regular one, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use the pre-approved template message. So this is my template. Let's click on this done, and you can see the template has been selected. You can make this message more personal by adding variables. For now, I've used the generic one. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to test this broadcast message. For that, I'm going to add my contact name, and here I'm going to add my number. Moving forward, let's click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. You can see instantly a new message has been received with the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message to all your contacts, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then comes the automatic retry of failed contacts. By turning this button on, you can automatically set it to to retry to send the same WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts. For now, I'm going to turn it off. Then click on this add broadcast and you can see we have successfully scheduled our broadcast over here. Now, once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the data where you can view the stats for the same where you have data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend this WhatsApp broadcast to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option available over here as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to promote new course launch with WhatsApp broadcast. I hope these tips were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.